Good morning, everyone. Well, today I'm going to show you what I pulled out to put with the What's Cooking tags and this little paper here that's got all these little cut aparts. I guess they're 2x2. I would tell you, but I don't see my invisible ruler. Okay, so I don't know, they're about 2x2. They're probably a little bigger than that because there's 5 across. Otherwise there'd be 6. Okay, so these were the papers that Maureen had sent me, and she sent me these ones, so they must have been extra ones that she had. And I thought they were super cute, and I thought it'd be fun to build a kit from them. And so I've done that. I'm actually going to use this page, and if you watched the first video, I did show that. And so now remember that there is, you know, it looks like it's only cooking, but there's also fall elements in this one. So I mean, it could be used for Thanksgiving, just any time for the fall. So I'm going to show you what I pulled out. And these I pulled out of my my theme binders, and I thought this is just perfect because they show peaches, and their peaches are super pink. And look at how great it looks with this collection. And then, so it's got apples, it's got cherries, it's got some pumpkins, and we have pumpkins here. So I thought that page will be good. Oh, it's got fall here, and some of the colors are actually in this with the turquoise, the red, the orange, brown. So that's gonna work really good. And then also, I think I got these from Peachy Cheap, and it's like I seen that they had foam stickers, so I bought these, and pretty sure that's when I got them. And it's actually from What's Cooking. So this one, it's got Kitchen Gather, yummy. It's got the rolling pin. It's got some pretty flowers. And was there any flowers on these? Oh, it's got that flower here on the plate. And so I thought, I'm pulling these out. Sometimes I forget to look through these. I have one binder that just has these word stickers in it. And, you know, they have some, like, just other foam embellishments on here. Whoops. It's stuck. And I've stuck them down with those glue dots. Okay. So there, I've already got some titles. There's something else on the back, Vicky Booten. Okay, and then here's what else I pulled from my embellishment binders. I'm gonna just set these to the side. Let's see here. I'll just set them over here. So I've got this pumpkin and mushrooms and leaves, and I thought they worked well with the colors. There's that red. I've got this stuck on the back just because otherwise it was going to stick, but there's really not a white piece of paper behind him. And this cute little bear, and this is from Elizabeth. And I thought there's the colors right there, so I thought that would be perfect. It's a bear, and he looks like he's from the fall. I did these little clusters. They have mushrooms. I did this is one of the embellishments I did for fall in 2024. And so it's got leaves and stuff, and it's got these colors in it also, so I thought I'd pull that out. This one here is from Sherry Tibbetts, and it says Hello Fall, and then it's got a pumpkin, and it's like it's got the yellows, it's got the oranges, and I thought that's really pretty. And another title. And then I have another title, and this one's from Katie, I think. No, I don't know. Oh, it's a vet. Boy, I have no problem reading. Okay, Fall Fun. And I thought that's really pretty, and the colors go. And then, you know, they have the coffee here, so I thought I'd bring in this one here, and I don't know who made it. I think it's before we made sure we were writing our names on them. It says, life is like a cup of tea, It's all in how you make it. And I know that's coffee, but I drink tea, so I thought this would be cute. And I gotta tell you, in my room it looked a little more green or turquoise. It's a little more blue out here, but I'm gonna stick this behind there so it doesn't stick to the paper. And then I have this one here, and I don't remember if me or my friend made this one. I think maybe my friend made this one. I made another one. I don't know. We both worked together, and I don't remember which one who made it. So that was another cup of tea. And somebody had made these. Connie made these little bowls, and I love those. And I thought they would be cute. And the colors go well. And who made these? Mallory made these salt and pepper shakers, and there's salt and pepper shakers here. So, I mean, I'm just kind of using this to, you know, decide what needs to be in here. What did this showed fall, the show's fall, la 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 there. So, I mean, you can see there's the different things in here. There's those colors here too. I put in a couple of jars, and actually I made these for the swap one time. And then this one here is from Linda Jean, and I thought she would be perfect. She's wearing fall colors. And then we have this little mouse, and he has strawberries, and he's, you know, I'm pulling in food things. Let's see, we got this little thing, it's got bake on it, and this is from Debbie. Me and her did a special swap together. And I made this little squirrel with an acorn, so I thought I'd throw him in there. And then this is another one I made, and it's a mixer, so I thought I'll bring in a mixer. Maybe I'll use it on one that I don't use that on. I got this one this year, and it does not say who made it, but it's got the pumpkin, it's got pink, it's got the little addition of purple, but I thought that looks great with that. It's kind of that purpley pink there, and so I thought that was really cute. Oh, and I pulled in this leaf, and this leaf, Maureen had given me several of these, and I was really thinking about using those on something the other day, so I thought I'm gonna put that in. And then we had one swap that was cookies, and so this is from Grace. Okay, and then I think this one is from somebody else, and this one's from Ginger, Tough Cookie, and this one has cookies on it, so I thought that's perfect. And I'm sticking both cookies back in here so I don't lose them. I'll probably stick some of the other smaller things in here too. But, and then I also have some Flair, and this stuff I made. Farm Fresh, served daily. Here's like a little piece, it looks like wood. And it's got a flower on it, and coffee and tea. What else does it say? Coffee, tea. Premium, okay. Bon Appetit, Farm Fresh Produce, Welcome to Our Garden, Market Fresh Produce, a little gingham, and then I have some yellow ginghams. So I thought those all go well with it. And so I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna show you, this is, and I showed you this the last time too. But anyhow, this is how I get these. They come like this. One of these sides they open. I don't know how come I have such a hard time getting in them at first. And it's gotta be this way, right? This one doesn't open. Okay. Well, jeepers creepers. Oh, maybe it goes this way. That would explain it. Yep, okay. Because this is always on the left. Well, unless of course it's on the right. Okay, and so anyway, I cut this off, and I think it might have been Ginger who I seen do this first. I don't know. But you cut this part off, And then you can put your embellishments in it and then tuck it into like one of these sleeves here. And I showed you how I put them in there at the last time, I think. I don't know if I think I already had them in there. But let's see, will the cookies, I don't think the cookies will fit. Boy, Terry, get it together. I think the cookies would fit if I take them out of here. So I'm gonna do that. Maybe they will fit, yep. Okay, so I got my cookies in there. And here's a little cookie tab, so I'm gonna stick that in there because that goes with it too. Like this up here, since it's, well, it should just fit right in there. I can put that in there at the top. Anything that's not too big, I can put at the top. This might stick out, so I'm gonna put it here. The bear will definitely stick out, so I'm gonna put him down here because it's all right if he sticks out as long as it's not at the top. Let's see, this one here is gonna be taller. So I'm gonna stick that here. Or it could stick behind the bear because I'll still be able to notice that it's there. I've got the little girl, she's gonna be too tall. And let me see. This pumpkin looks like it should fit. But yeah, that would be good. I'm gonna stick it up here still. Okay, and then I have a lot of little things. And if they're too heavy, I don't put them at the top because then it, you know, like I won't put the flare at the top because then they just wanna flip out. They just wanna flip out. So here's my other little things. Oh, here's my little tea thing. I think this is, my friend made the one that said Bliss on it. Okay. And I must use the other one already. Okay, and then I have these ones here. So I think I have all the little pieces. Oh, I have the leaf. And that's gonna be too tall, so I'm gonna stick it maybe in here with this girl. Maybe if it will cooperate. Okay, so I've got that in there. And then I'm gonna put the flare down here. And so, whoops. I was all ready to catch it between my knees. Okay. And so I'll put this in front since that's what I built the kit around. And this one has a gusset. I don't know, it's like I like either one of them. It doesn't really matter. But if you don't pop this open first, then it's kind of a hassle because I'm always trying to get it in there without popping it up first. And you can put it, you know, you can write on the tab with, you know, something that's removable or something. Or you could just put a white label on it or sticker. And so I'm putting that in there. And then I have my 2 pages that I'm gonna stick in there from my binders. And I'll put one over there and one over here. And actually I'm gonna push that one in further and pull this one this way because I've got the flare, so that's gonna take up more bulk right here. And if I feel like the flare is gonna fall out, I might put in a little baggie or something. But it'll be okay once I stand it up. Okay, and I'm gonna go through and see what kits I've got made and challenge myself to use, 5 of them in the next month. So I've already got one in my little tub that I make, that I put the base pages in, but it fits so nice and it stays, one thickness. It's not like overly bulky on the bottom, so it works out really nice. So that's it for today. I will show you, I've got actually 2 more, but they're smaller. So they're more like page kits. So I'll show those at the same time. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day. And I think, will you see this before Thanksgiving? No, I think you'll see it the day after Thanksgiving. So, hope you had a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.